This is AZ Automotives Review, your ultimate destination for performance machines, precision engineering, and pure adrenaline. Today, we dive deep into one of the most anticipated middleweight sport bikes of recent years. Sleek, aggressive, and crafted with Aprilia's unmistakable DNA, this is the Aprilia 457 rupees. A machine built not just to race, but to dominate its category. At first glance, the 457 rupees is every bit a baby superbike, but don't be fooled by the term, entry-level. Aprilia hasn't dialed anything down in terms of intent. This motorcycle carries the same bloodline as the 660 rupees in the RS V4. What you're looking at is a purebred Italian sport bike designed to give new riders a gateway into the world of high-performance machines, without compromising on design, feel, or feedback. Let's talk design. The 457 rupees is an absolute stunner. From the front, you're met with Aprilia's signature triple LED headlamp setup, aggressive, sharp, and instantly recognizable. The fairings are sculpted with aerodynamic intent, slicing through air like a scalpel through silk. The bike's lines are bold and purposeful, with air vents integrated seamlessly into the side panels. Its stance screams track-ready aggression, yet there's an elegance in how compact and refined it looks. It doesn't just look fast, it feels like it was born in a wind tunnel and fine-tuned in a race lab. Underneath that stunning bodywork sits a brand new, liquid-cooled 457cc parallel twin engine. It pushes out 47 horsepower, placing it right at the A2 license limit, perfect for newer riders in Europe, but still thrilling enough for experienced riders looking for something lightweight and nimble. Torque delivery is smooth and linear, with a meaty mid-range that makes city riding and twisty backroads equally exciting. The engine revs eagerly, with a red line that encourages you to keep climbing through the gears. Whether you're carving corners or cruising highways, the 457 rupees keeps pulling with confidence and composure. The engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox, and yes, it comes with an optional quickshifter. The gear shifts are precise, crisp, and satisfying, giving you that seamless race-inspired feel when accelerating or downshifting aggressively. And the soundtrack, it's got that deep, raspy twin-cylinder growl that builds into a beautiful scream as you push it higher in the rev range. It might not be a V4 roar, but for a parallel twin, it sounds delightfully angry. Now let's get into handling, and this is where Aprilia's racing pedigree really shines. The 457 rupees features an aluminum twin-spar frame, which is rare in this segment. It's light, rigid, and provides exceptional feedback when cornering. The bike weighs just 175 kilograms wet, making it incredibly flippable in the twisties and confidence-inspiring at all speeds. Whether you're leaning deep into a corner or navigating through tight city streets, the 457 rupees feels planted, responsive, and agile. Suspension duties are handled by a 41mm upside-down fork up front and a preload adjustable mono shock at the rear. The setup strikes a beautiful balance between comfort and sportiness. It absorbs imperfections in the road without sacrificing stability, making it versatile enough for daily riding and spirited weekend runs. You can attack corners with aggression and still come out smiling, thanks to the RS 457's natural handling rhythm. Braking is sharp and progressive, with a single 320mm disc up front clamped by a 4-piston radial caliper and a 220mm disc at the rear. Dual-channel ABS come standard, and it's well-tuned, intrusive only when it really needs to be. It gives you the confidence to brake late into corners without second-guessing your grip. And with that lightweight chassis, stopping power feels immediate and controlled. Aprilia hasn't skimped on tech either. The 457 rupees features ride-by-wire throttle, which opens up the possibility for multiple riding modes. You get 3 power modes, 3 levels of traction control, and of course, the ability to switch ABS off at the rear if you want a more raw, track-oriented experience. Everything is managed through a 5-inch full-color TFT display that's crisp, modern, and easy to navigate. You can even connect your phone via the Aprilia Mia system for notifications, navigation, and ride data. Ergonomically, Aprilia has struck a smart balance. The clip-ons are slightly raised compared to full-on track bikes, making the riding position sporty without being punishing. The foot pegs are rear set, giving you that aggressive feel when you tuck in, but they're not so high that it compromises comfort. It's a bike you can genuinely ride every day, yet it's ready to hit the racetrack whenever you are. And let's talk numbers, because this is where the 457 rupees makes a bold statement. It produces 47 horsepower from just 457cc, has a power-to-weight ratio that rivals larger bikes, and still manages to return impressive fuel efficiency. Whether you're ripping through mountain passes or navigating urban traffic, you're getting a level of performance and control that redefines what a sub-500cc bike can be. Aprilia's goal here is clear: to dominate the lightweight sport bike segment, and the 457 rupees is a compelling weapon. It goes head-to-head with the Yamaha R3, the KTM RC390, and even the Kawasaki Ninja 400. But where the Aprilia shines is in its premium construction, racing heritage, and rider-focused design. It doesn't just aim to compete, it aims to lead. And yet, it's accessible. This is not an intimidating machine. New riders will appreciate the gentle throttle response in lower modes, the manageable seat height, and the predictable handling. At the same time, experienced riders will love pushing it to its limits, exploring the edge of grip, leaning hard into corners, and discovering just how much potential this compact rocket has. Every touchpoint on this bike feels considered. The switchgear is premium, the TFT dash is bright and modern. The fit and finish are truly class-leading. Even the paint quality and body panel fitment feel a notch above the competition. Aprilia hasn't built a budget bike, they've built a serious motorcycle that just happens to be friendly on the wallet. When you sit on the 457 rupees, you don't feel like you're stepping down into a beginner bike. You feel like you're stepping into the world of Aprilia, a world where performance matters, where design is art, and where every ride is an experience. This bike is more than just a spec sheet. It's about emotion. It's about the thrill of hitting the apex just right. It's about the way the engine sings when you twist the throttle. It's about connecting with the road, with the machine, and with that inner racer inside all of us. It's a statement, and that statement is loud, fast, and undeniably Italian. So, who is this bike for? It's for the young rider looking to step into the world of performance motorcycling. It's for the commuter who wants practicality during the week and pure joy on the weekend. It's for the seasoned rider who appreciates lightweight precision and wants a second bike that delivers smiles per mile. It's for anyone who values character, style, and substance, not just speed. Aprilia has nailed the formula with the 457 rupees. It brings together everything that makes riding fun: speed, agility, sound, and soul, and wraps it in a package that's usable, approachable, and drop-dead gorgeous. It's not just another small sport bike. It's a revolution in the lightweight segment, and it shows us what's possible when a brand refuses to compromise. If you're in the market for a bike that's as happy on the track as it is on the street, that blends Italian flair with real-world usability, and that delivers excitement every time you hit the ignition, then the Aprilia 457 rupees absolutely deserves your attention. This has been AZ Automotives review, bringing you the most exciting machines on two wheels and four. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 457 rupees, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cinematic and detailed reviews just like this. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is this the best bike in the lightweight sport segment right now? Let's talk. Until next time, ride safe and stay passionate.